Hello everyone, today we will learn how to create a Solomonic column in 3ds Max. Create the helix. Start by creating a helix with both roddies set to the same value. Adjust the height and set at least 3 turns. Apply the array modifier and set it to make 6 copies. Set the distribution to radial. Ensure the strength is set to 0. Go back to the helix and give it some thickness. Make any necessary adjustments to the helix to refine the shape. Create the base shape using a 2D line. Apply the lathe modifier to the line. Apply an edit poly modifier to the lathed shape. Perfect the bottom and top faces as shown in the video. Apply Turbo Smooth for a smoother appearance. Create a simple box for the base of the column. Make a copy of the base shape and adjust the height accordingly. Apply the Edit Poly modifier to the main column. Attach the base and other elements to the column. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, please comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.